Deep Regrets, a strategic horror fishing game about reeling disturbing things out of the briny deep. Grab your worms, secure your lifeboat, question your sanity, and push out to sea, taking on interesting roles and rolling interesting dice. If the tide's not in your favour, hope for a lifeline or head back to port to gather your wits. Ho, and you're gonna need your wits, with over 100 unique fish haunting this sea, each more unsettling than the last. Survey shadows, consult your angler's guide, and rely on your instincts to decide where you drop your sinker. Once you've got your fish on the line, the real fight begins. Use rods and reels, bait, hell, eat some things you might regret. Whatever helps land that whopper. But watch out, some have a nasty sting, some are tricky to catch, and some whisper the unknowable secrets of the deep into your unwitting ears. So either land the catch or go home with a pitiful dink. Once you've exhausted your resources, haul your creel back to port to mount for massive points multipliers or sell them to buy new equipment and dice. Then strap your waders back on and set sail once again. Alas, the sea is a harsh mistress. You're going to see some unsettling things. You're going to commit some unspeakable acts. And you're going to regret it. The heavier your regrets become, the deeper you'll slip into madness. Your priorities change and new opportunities emerge. But push too far and you could lose your grip, sacrificing the things you care about most. So find comfort in your friends. Gather a crew of up to 5 tolerable mates for a miserable week at sea. Or go it alone. As an intrepid ichthyologist on an epic expedition to survey and catalogue every fish in the ocean over a campaign of dozens of games. Just know that being married to the sea is a toxic relationship. Deep Regrets, an unfortunate fishing game.